Hi everybody, welcome back to Sharon from Vivid Days. Today is going to be a quickie. We are going to stick with soft oil pastels and I am going to show you how to do clouds. Now this is aimed for beginners. Don't feel that you have to get yours to replicate mine, otherwise it will not happen. Not because mine is the best out there, but I'm just free forming and I want you to just immerse yourself, understand some of the principles and give it a go. So let's move on with this video. If you haven't already, please consider giving me a thumbs up, subscribe, share, and comments are always welcome. I would really appreciate that. It helps my channel. Today I am working on clouds as mentioned, and I am starting with a deep blue around the edge, coming in with a few other tones of blue, and then really blending it out with some white, and the joy of using your fingers to blend it. Now, if you are somebody who has an allergic reaction to or has got sensitive skin, please make sure you do read the ingredients on your soft pastels. I use any brand that I've recently purchased from craft stores or Amazon and Temu. I am not affiliated with any brands, but I'm just giving them a go. And I have noticed that if you use different brands on the same picture, they can add different values, and that's not always a positive. So in up and coming videos, you will see what I mean. The important thing at this stage, I'm just looking past you to my video, was just getting the colour on there, using my blues and coming through with a white to try and help blend that out. I make sure I've got a very liberal covering, and I'm going to start to use my finger now to smooth that all together and just to see how the pastels are responding. Do I have too much white? Do I have too much blue? How's that going to work? And you see me going in a direction like this, and that's just because I'm just trying to get a good blend in. It didn't really matter too much at that. You could rub it around, you could use different tools to do it, you could use tissues, whichever one you prefer. Now, if you are going to use your finger, other than the message I've talked about with allergies, always keep a cloth nearby as well so you can take the excess off, just so you're not going to bring colours through into areas you don't want. Now I am going in with more white, and this is where I'm really focusing on the clouds, and I'm trying to see, have I put too much dark colour in there, will the white come on? And now I'm really pressing my pastel on there so it leaves a liberal amount of crayon, it's not crayon, a pastel behind. I'm keeping gaps in between for the darker colours, and I'm using a circular loose motion in between. Now that just helps give you depth, it helps make it feel like it's a little bit more see-through, and I'm just going in different directions. So I would say have fun, give it a practice. When you reveal the tape at the edge and you get your borders, you can definitely see it is clouds, but because I used a lot of the dark behind, they're very soft, subtle clouds. Anyway, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, share, comments are always welcome if you feel that this video has added value. If you've used this video to help you, I do apologise, I've had a cup of tea and that repeated on me. Please do leave comments in there for me. I will read them and share any tips or tricks with the art community. We would really appreciate that. Come back next week. I've got a couple more exciting videos coming up. One where we go a little bit more into a more realistic ocean. One we're going closer up on a boat, and then one where I'm going to work on this wonderful lady behind me, and you'll get to see her come alive. And I am sticking with my soft pastel journey. I am mixing up my skills and hopefully sharing with you and inspiring you. But I'll see you on the next video. Much love wherever you are in the world. I hope you're safe and well, and I hope you're finding time to create. Bye bye.